Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here we have received a new DJI FLY App update, that is version 1.9.0. If you ask me what's new in this particular version, then this version supports DJI Mini 3 and this has a waypoint flight mode for DJI Mavic 3. And the third feature is with this version you will be able to download the offline map on your DJI FLY App, and this downloaded map will be stored in the cache memory. So in the further part of the video, I'll be showing you guys how we can download the offline map on our DJI FLY App. And as we are updating our DJI FLY App, as usual, we will be trying to bypass the 15 meters limit and checking whether hack is working fine or not. So guys, as soon as you open your DJI FLY App and if your phone is connected with the internet, you will get a notification for the DJI FLY App update. So here I have clicked on update and it will take few seconds to get the DJI FLY App downloaded to your phone, and it will start installing it on your phone. After installing the new version of DJI FLY App, I could not find any difference in the interface, not even in the safety settings, controls, camera, and the transmission is also same. And when you go to the about section, here in the app version you will be able to see that 1.9.0 has been installed, and I also checked the aircraft firmware. So the latest aircraft firmware is 01.05. To download the offline map, you have to click on profile. Here you have to scroll down and click on offline maps. Make sure that your phone is connected to the internet. Once your phone is connected to the internet, you will be able to see the map over here. You can pinch your screen or just zoom out and select the area that you want to download. The maximum map size that can be downloaded is 3 MB, and once you select the area, you can click on download and put the name for that particular cache memory or that particular offline map. So guys, after entering the details, the map will be started downloading and it will be stored on your phone, and this offline map can be accessed at any point of time whenever your phone is not connected to the internet. So here you can see that in the download session you will be able to see which all maps you have downloaded and the name that you have given. And if you go to the settings and if you click on clear cache memory, and here you will see that clear app cache. If you click on that, your downloaded maps will be cleared and your phone storage will be cleared. So you can store any number of offline maps. The max that I have tried is up to 20. You can store 20 offline maps in the DJI FLY App itself. So when I saw that DJI FLY App has an update with the map, I was thinking that hack will not be working. So we have to check the hack now, whether the hack will be able to work with this map update, because anyways in the hack we are playing with the map and altitude, so we need to test it out. So now here on the screen you can see that in the max altitude we have got as 15 meters. There is a fixed 15 meters limit. So to bypass this 15 meters limit, we will be using free version of Rainbow application. So once you open the free version of Rainbow application, we have to unplug and plug your cable, and here you have to select the transfer photo. So here I am using the free Rainbow application. You will be finding the detailed version of video in the I button and the description, so you guys can check out. This application can be used on both Android and iOS. So once you reset the max altitude from 15 meters to 500 meters, you need to open your DJI FLY App again, and you have to plug the cable back to the phone. And here you can see that max altitude has been changed from 15 to 500 meters. Now let's take off our drone and see whether we will be able to fly our drone more than 15 meters or not.
Please check it on the map.
So guys, as you can see on the screen, we are able to fly our drone more than 15 meters. That means our hack is working fine. I have tested the RTH, quick shots, all the stuffs after the update of DJI FLY App to version 1.9.0, and I have confirmed that everything is working fine. So you guys can update your DJI FLY App to version 1.9.0 without any worries. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.